This video goes over how to install any K-footprint red dots on the Gen 1 Walther PDP. Just watch to the end. Whether you have a brand new or used PDP with the Generation 1 optic cut, the seating depth for the optic is pretty bad. Like, these screws get about this much shallow depth to hold the optic on top. You either bottom out if the screw is too long, or you have to cut the screws shorter to fit. A better way is to use this DPP titanium adapter plate. It fits the optic cut and it provides these raised index posts so the optic can stay tighter, and the screws can get in there deeper to hold everything in place. These index posts are machined into the plate all in one piece so nothing will shift and move around. Just torque each of the countersunk screw with a precision torque wrench to 10 inch-pounds each, and that they will hold the plate in place without shifting. And then the optic goes on top with 13 inch-pound torque for each screw. The plate comes with all the screws you need, and it wedges pretty tight inside the optic cut with front and rear fences. This saves you a ton of money if you don't want to ship it to a company to mill it, and you also save a lot, like about 60 bucks. This right here is cut for the PDP version 2 plates with some materials removed by CH Precision. So if you have a Generation 1 PDP and you don't want to permanently mill the slide and you want something that can retain zero, then this adapter plate is exactly what you need. There is another video on the channel that goes over the version 2 PDP slide cut, and you can watch it right here.